Hello baby, please, subscribe. Else, shows what is inside the folder where you are currently located. Shows all files, including hidden files that start with else, r, shows files and directories recursively. Shows files in long format and also displays the inode number. Shows files in long format, and also displays the inode number, and recursive. lslay shows all files, in long format. cd changes your current directory to the root directory. cd tilde changes your current directory to user's home directory. Moves you one directory up. Moves you two directories up. mkdir test folder num creates a new directory, test folder num. rmd test folder num deletes an empty directory. mkdir test folder not2 create directory. cd test folder not2 change directory. Touch some file, .txt creates an empty file named sumfile.txt, shows files directories in long format and also shows their inode numbers. cd moves you one directory up from your current location. rmr test folder not2 deletes the directory test folder not2 and everything inside it. rm == remove, delete. mkdir for lidera create a directory named folder A, mv folder A new file, equals rename folder A to new file. ls new file shows the contents of the directory named new file.